Hi folks, welcome to MarineMax Miami. My name's Naheem. I'm here to show you our Scout 240 XSF. This boat came equipped with a Mercury 300 horsepower engine, taking this boat right there in the mid 50 speed range. Come on board. Wanted to show you another cool feature where you're standing. Look at this full swim platform here for diving, for water activities. Great design. All Scouts this is a trademark they have, which makes them super versatile. Come on in. If you notice here, look at this rear bench seat. Look how easy that folds in. Rocket launcher, 4 rod holders, cooler storage. Nice live well here. Look at the center console here. We have a Garmin 12-inch screen. Scout just uses Garmin. Fusion radio, glove box, USB charger. Notice how the center console is all closed in. Let's go up towards the bow. Wanted to show you, look at the headspace you have here in this head. And we have our battery switch right in here with our breakers, away from the elements. Another Scout trademark is, look at this forward lounge. 2 people can fit here comfortably. Look at the cushions here, the bolsters. These are insulated, by the way, both. Cup holders. Right here we have for your phone. Great storage under here. Works as a cooler as well, or a fish box. Well, thank you for joining us on this quick tour of the Scout 240 XSF. If you have any questions or want to come visit us, visit MarineMaxMiami.com, or you can call me, Naheem, at 786-327-9175. See you soon.